Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Gisela Khansa Purwoko. I am from Islamic Elementary School, Ulil Albab, Gondang Rejo. Today, I am going to share you how to make sandwich. First of all, these are the ingredients. 4 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, 2 fried eggs, 2 toast beef burger, 1 sachet of mayonnaise, 2 tomatoes, some seeds of the lettuce, 1 sachet of chili sauce, and margarines. We need the tools: knife, plate, spoon, cutting board, frying pan, spatula, and stove. This is the steps how to make sandwich. First, put the frying pan on the stove. Then, turn on the stove. After that, put the margarine on the frying pan. Then, toast the bread. Wait until the bread becomes brown. Like this. Then, cut the tomatoes into some pieces. Cut it until some pieces. Like this. Then, cut the lettuce into some pieces too. Like this. Next, put the bread on the plate. Then, put the fried egg on top of the bread. Then, we put the toast beef burger. Then, we spread some of mayonnaise on top of the beef burger. Then, put the cheese on top of the mayonnaise. Next, put the chili sauce on top of the cheese. Then, put the lettuce on top of the chili sauce. Put the tomatoes on top of the lettuce. Last, put another bread on top. Now, we will put the sandwich on the serving plate. First, put the lettuce on the plate. Then, put the sandwich on the plate. Last, put the tomatoes into the plate. Finally, the sandwich is ready to serve. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.